Hello everyone. Welcome to KJ Somaya College of Engineering. Let's take virtual tour of website of KJ Somaya College of Engineering to find the details about various certificate and PG diploma programs offered by Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. So this is the home page of KJ Somaya College of Engineering. You can click on the program tab so that you will come to know the various programs offered at KJ Somaya College of Engineering. There are two certificate programs which has been offered by Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. The one is certificate course on data analytics and second is certificate course on networking. So you can click here on certificate and you can see the different certificate courses offered at the institute. So you can click on data analytics. So this is the one of the certificate course offered by Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. So here you will get the basic information about the course. The key information, that is the duration of this course is 6 months, that is 1 semester. The objective of the course, then what are the different learning outcomes, what are the assessment methods to be followed, what is the eligibility criteria for enrollment in this course, what are the different courses which has been taught as a part of this certificate course. Similarly, you can get the information about the certificate course on networking if you will click on this networking tab. So again on this page also you will get the relevant information as per the objectives, learning outcomes, the eligibility criteria, list of courses, etc. If any of the student is interested in PG diploma, so Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering is offering a PG diploma course on data analytics and networking. For that, regarding the PG diploma, you have to click here on PG diploma and then select the data analytics and networking. So you will be again redirected to a page which is showing the information related to PG diploma in data analytics and networking. So on this page also you will get all the information. The duration of PG diploma is 2 semesters, that is 1 year. Again these are the objectives, learning outcomes, different courses, which courses are there in semester 1, which are the different courses which are there in semester 2, what is the eligibility criteria for enrollment for the PG diploma course, etc. For more information you can send mail to admissions@somaya.edu. You can contact on our helpline number or you can send a message through the WhatsApp chat. Thank you.